over there. I think it's wow, beautiful rivers. Look at the slippery roads and the flowers over there. Silence, must say. Not too much vehicles are passed by this road over there, I think. Yeah. Wow, it's too much. What's it? It's like forest area over there. Oh my God, look at the roads. It's totally the what area? It's farthest from the downtown area. What's it called? What is it? What do you know? Maybe I should look or something else. Yeah. Hey partner! Hello! Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Great roads. Silent road one. Hey. My partner is over the roof. Look at him. Tell me something about yourself. Oh. Woo! Wow. Look at. I have seen here like just one is fish tail, and you may see the shadow of it over the Fewa Lake in Pokhara, and that one is Annapurna Ranch, and there is Thaulagiri, but it's me just behind it. This is Thaulagiri Ranch. Okay, let's go.